Welcome. Now we will see Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis for tomorrow and next week. That is November first week. When reversal to the upside will happen, that we will see. What is the outlook? We will see. Disclaimer: I am not a security share market consultant. This is education purpose video only. Nifty 50 outlook summary next week. November first week. Global economic influence. That is like US bond yield is rising along with the dollar index, and gold is also rising due to geopolitical issues like Iran-Israel war. Also, domestically, if you see, IT sector gave some good results, and FMCG, ITC gave a good result. So, finance, banks, some companies gave good results. So, that has to be watched out. And retail investor, they have to focus on individual blue chip stocks in IT, FMCG, and banking. That may offer some stability. FII flows has to be watched out, and we have to watch for any market bottom formation. If any bottom formation happens, any reversal happens, technically using chart, when the reversal will happen, that I will tell you later on. The above outlook summary is based on the AI prediction. Now we will go to the charts. Now Nifty 50, if you see, it has just taken support at S1, and below there is a S2 support is there. And below if you see S3 support at 23,734, and there is a major demand zone. So now you can see what happened to my levels I gave last week. It will be a learning experience for you also. Last week on 18th I gave, you can see blue line, vertical blue line. From there you can see what happened. This is Nifty. So near to the major demand zone, it took resistance at my reversal line. You can see blue line. From reversal line, along that downward trend line, it came down, but there was no support at major demand zone. So it went up to below, very near to the S1. From S1, it took support, went up, but due to trend line resistance, it came down. Actually, these are all levels I gave last week. And again, it came down below. I said next target here, S2 will be the next target. So it came down along with the downward trend line and went up to my S2. You can see S2, there it took support. So now you can see Bank Nifty what happened. This is the level 18 I gave. R1, A you can see at R1, there was a resistance. Again at my R1, again at B you can see near B, there was a resistance candle formed with candle. At my major demand zone, you can see C, along with that trend line, upward trend line, there was it took some support, and at S1, again it took support. You can see D. So at C, it took support and breakdown happened. Exactly at S2, my S2, for S1, it took support and bounced back, but unable to go past above my demand zone, major demand zone. That is, once major demand zone breakdown happens, it will become a resistance. So it took resistance and it break down below my S2. You can see the next target down S3. At S3, it took support. Now F, you can see F. So this is the position of supply and demand concept. Whatever I gave, almost it went there. 94% success rate supply demand concept is having. So now we can see those are the supports. If you want to know like this 150 shares plus, you can come to GB Investor Zone YouTube channel for free educational purpose. So if there is a downward trend line, one-day trend line, you can see along with the major supply zone. When the reversal will happen for Nifty, blue line, Nifty should go and close above the blue line with big candle and strong volumes. Almost R1 and reversal line are there. Also major supply zone is there. So it will be very difficult. A strong candle and big candle and strong volume has to happen, breakout happen. Then only we can expect a reversal, and it should close at least for 1 or 2 days. Both there is a resistance at R2. Now we can see Nifty, Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty, if you see, just above my S1, below there is S2 support is there, and there is a major demand zone at 49,427. As I told, if you want more levels, 94% success rate level, come to my Investor Zone YouTube channel. Here in my search in my playlist. When Bank Nifty reversal will happen at 51,000, it has to reverse, but above there's a stop loss bear hunting line. Stop loss bear hunting line, it will cheat you. It will go up and again come down, again go up and again come down. So you have to be careful. So it has to give a breakout with big candle and strong volume above the reversal line, and it has to close very above the stop loss hunting line, but still there will be some stop loss hunting, so you have to be careful. Only above there is R1 and downward trend line resistance, and there is a major supply zone. So lot of supply zones are there, and another resistance zone R2 is there. So only if a big candle with strong volume above the reversal line happens in Bank Nifty, the trend reversal will happen and the share market will turn bullish. So if you want how to take entry and all that, at the end of the video I will put a chart. Thank you.